Hello, future millionaire. Today I'm coming with a very interesting story. Just now I went to JB Hi-Fi, wanted to buy a drone to take footages for the upcoming house sale. My house is on 5,000 square meter of land. I want to showcase the land size. Therefore, I wanted to get a drone, but I've never flown a drone before in my life, so it would be a steep learning curve. And I got into a conversation with the lady who was selling the drone. It turns out her son is a Air Force pilot who is also an excellent drone pilot and hobbyist. So I offered her to pay with Bitcoin Cash for the service of her son to take drone footages for me. And she gladly accepted, and I told her what I do on my channel, and for her it was absolutely no surprise whatsoever that someone can make 1,000 times the money with Bitcoin Cash, because she knows two people in her life that already done something like that with the original Bitcoin. And as we all know, the original Bitcoin is no longer real. Instead, it has migrated over to the Bitcoin Cash situation. So she was not surprised at all about what I told her about, and I shared my YouTube channel with her, and hopefully her son is going to contact me shortly to make some videos for the land I'm selling. Alright, that's another real life example. She has two friends who made millions of dollars from Bitcoin, and one of them is driving a Ferrari, another one is living on a waterfront property for $2 million. Alright, that is the power of Bitcoin. See you in the next video.